Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. It's Dinorah, aka the Southern Belle of the South Bronx, and today we have another hair hack. This one I found on TikTok. I'm gonna post the video right here. We'll watch it together. So she takes a wig grip, is an elastic band that has a Velcro on it. She opens up the Velcro and then she's going to hot glue some twists. Now I don't have twists. I wanted to try these knotless braids. I'll link everything down below, and of course I'll put pictures on the screen. So I got the glance braid. It says hair that dazzles, pre-stretched box braids, extra long, 34 inches, and these have like the loops for crocheting, and they're long. Like if I put them here, they go down to my thighs, and I'm 5'7". So I couldn't find the wig grip that she used here in New York, but I did find this. This is called Silicone Lined Headband, which I own a few of, but this one's sewn in. So you would put this inside so it grips your head, and I like this. I have a big head. My head circumference measures at 23 and like a few centimeters, so I have a pretty big head. And I also got this one. This is called a Silicone Lined Wig Band, and it's secure hold, all day comfortable wear. Same thing, has silicone, but it doesn't have that Velcro. So right now I just have flat twist. Been wearing my hair like this. If you're new here, I did cut my hair last year, so my hair is growing back. So I'm used to doing protective styling during the winter. It is January, what day is it today? January 14th here in the Bronx, New York. So I'm missing my twist, my 2-strand twist, my flat twist, my braids. So this is all I can do right now. And what I do is that I just put on one of these like netted meshed wig things, and I wear a silk scarf or a satin scarf, and you know, I make it look pretty. But I want to try this wig hack. It's basically just a band. If I haven't mentioned, sorry, well, you'll see the video as well. It's just a band with hot glued braids. You put it on and then you put on a hat. So I'm going to do different types of hat. A bucket hat, my favorite denim bucket hat. I have some baseball dad hats and some of my favorite silk scarves. So let's get started. So I'm going to go with the Brittany Silicone Lined Headband. It's just thinner and it's more comfortable on my head. As you can see, the little hole, I already started to de-stitch the little stitching that connected the headband. Again, you can just use the adjustable headband that the young lady uses in the TikTok. It is much easier. I just thought I would make my own one because I couldn't find it in the beauty supply store, and I had already bought all of my supplies at the beauty supply store, and I just didn't think it was worth spending $2 and then $10 worth of shipping just for the headband. So I made my own with this headband. Here I have some Velcro that has some adhesive, and what I'm doing is that I'm just measuring it out. This is 2 inches of Velcro, and the headband is just slightly larger, but that doesn't matter. And we're just going to put the part with the teeth on the outside of the band, so where there is no silicone, and then the fluffy part is going to go on the inside, so that when we secure it, the part with the teeth on it doesn't get caught in our natural hair. And then I'm going to secure this. So at first I was like, all right, I'm going to use some weaving thread and some weaving needle. That did not work. It was too thick to go through the Velcro and the adhesive. So then I tried regular thread and needle. That didn't work. And then I finally gave in and I used this Singer machine that I have. It's a mending machine, a hemming machine. It's pretty inexpensive. I got it on Amazon. I just want to make sure that my Velcro is well secured. This is probably the worst sewing job I've ever done, because the Velcro has some adhesive on it, and also it's thick. So a regular needle and also a weaving needle for hair, they wouldn't properly fit through the thing. So I use this. One of my goals for like 7 or 8 years is to learn how to sew, and I really need to do that, go and take some classes. But I got this thing on Amazon last year, and I just use it for quick hems. It did the thing, all right? It secured it enough so that it won't fall off. So what I did is that I took the band, I took the original threading off so that it's one long piece, and then I just put Velcro on opposite ends. so that this silicone part sits on my actual head and hair and it won't slip. I'll put this part, the part with the little teeth here, the Velcro fuzzy part over top. There we go. And then we're gonna hot glue the braids here, but I'm not gonna do it on my head. I'm gonna do it on my friend's head. Where is she? Oh, here she goes. So I'm gonna put my headband over a mannequin head. This can be done just flat on a flat surface like a desk or something. And then you just wanna measure where you want like your braids to fall. I want mine to fall right above my temple. So I'm gonna start with my hot glue gun. This is a cheap and expensive glue gun from Michael's. And I'm just going to glue on my box braids. And I'm adding just a little bit to the hole just to make sure that it's secure. I'm just gonna go all the way around. I did the sides first because I only had one pack to begin with, but then I came back, as you'll see in a bit, with a second pack. So we're just gonna glue somewhere in the middle, a little bit above the middle. I'm just gonna go all the way around. And the small strings that you see of the residual glue, it's very easy to take off. So after I put the braids on, I just go individually and remove those pieces of residual glue. It's pretty easy. It comes off pretty easy. Okay, so I only bought one pack, and one pack apparently brings 30 braids, 30 34-inch braids. And they're knotted at the bottom, which I love. Yeah, I guess they would knot, but they're braided all the way to the bottom, which I love. So I have to go tomorrow to get more, but this is where we're at. Let me bring this down a little bit. So you see, I'm still missing all of the back. So we got 15 on the left, 15 on the right. But let's just play around and see what it looks like. Only have, this is just a preview because we still have to finish it. So this is my bucket hat. I got this from Cotton & Co. I don't know, some store in some mall in Jersey, but it says Ruby in the inside, but it's from Cotton On. That's the name of the company or the store. Excuse me? What? Oh, I can't wait till the back is done. Doesn't it look good? It covers the band. That's why I chose the brown band over this one, because it was just a little thinner, and to be honest, it's more comfortable. Let me turn around. I won't do the full reveal till tomorrow because these are like super long, like all right, y'all, so it's Saturday morning, January 15th, and I went to go get more hair. Here's the second. So we did 15 on each side, and then we're gonna do 15 in the back. I think it looks like there's gonna be 15, but I also want to add some in between in the bottom. I'll show you. Let me be quiet on here, and then I'll do a voiceover doing this. So with our second pack, we're just gonna glue to the back now and follow the same process. All right, y'all, so we got 15 on each side, and we were able to fit 14 in the back. I want to see, I think it's, no, let's add more. Okay, so as I mentioned, I wanted the back to be a little fuller, so I just went to the back pieces where we added 14, and I'm just going to add 9. So somewhere in between those 14, we're going to add our extra braids and added a little bit of more glue so that when I put the top piece, it would just stick. We just want this to be secure so it doesn't fly away, the braids don't fall off. But this is a pretty cool technique and a pretty cool winter protective hairstyle in my opinion. So there we have it. I'm just pressing everything down, and I've been using it for a few days and it's pretty secure. All right, so I added an additional, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I have 7 here, added an additional 9 braids to the back part, just a little spaced out, just to make the back fuller. So this is what we have so far. Make sure I got the same amount of braids on each side. So in total, I have 53 braids. I still have 7. There's 30 braids in each pack. So I used 1 and I want to say about 70% of the other one. So 53 braids. They're super long. So now we're gonna do a try on with different types of hats and scarves. So here's our headband wig. This is the inside with the silicone to grip to the head. And here is the full wig, 34 inches. Let's put this on. This is where I have the wig sitting, right? Just put the wig right on top of my ears so that it doesn't give me a migraine later. And I have big ears, so then I just situate them in the back. So I'm also recording on my iPhone so that I can do a little video here so you guys can see how long these actually are. First one is this beanie I got from Zara. This is like a wool hat. It says size medium, which I love because stop making one size fits all hats. Like there's some of us who have 23, 24 inch heads. Okay, so this is the beanie. So you can see, I'm just looking into the iPhone. Turn around. Do you see how full? It looks like I sat on a chair and got all my hair braided. Isn't this cute? The bucket hat. This one is from Cotton On. It's just a denim hat, bucket hat. Oh, you can even do like 2, like, make sure I'm in frame. How cute. So then we have this scarf. This is from Urban Outfitters. The first hat, the wool hat, was 20 bucks. I got it early December. This satin silk scarf is, I don't know if it's satin or silk, one of the two. It's from Urban Outfitters and it's only, it was 20 bucks too, or $19. How cute. I got this Loza tam. It's a pre-knotted silk lined turban in the color pumpkin, if I'm not mistaken. So there's satin inside, like soft cotton, like, you know, jersey sheet material on the outside. Make sure none of the satin is showing. Like, how cute is this? Try a baseball cap. This is my favorite hat. A friend of mine got it for me in Toronto from the OVO store almost, oh god, almost 8 years ago. Has it been that long? Just stretching it out a little bit. It has one of those buckle things. The baseball hat, you can see the band. Well, I can't see it, but I can feel it, and you can see my net. But you can easily like put like another black, if your hair is black, or like, oh, this is a 1B, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. So the color was 1B. You can put like another wig cap on top, like a black one, or maybe I can try to like put the remaining braids. No, that would work. So if you have this type of hat, it's gonna show. But if you can find the band that the, I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it crazy? It's like crew. Again, I'll put her name here. If you can find the one that she used so that you don't have to sew and take apart this headband, use the black one, maybe you can get away with that. And also, people shouldn't be in your head trying to be like, oh, is that really a wig? Scarf. This is from the beauty supply store. This is a satin scarf. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.